Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by to just share a recap of all the tags I made in November. Even though I stopped a little bit early, I did 25 days of tags, and that's a lot of tags. I had so much fun, and I plan on doing it again next year, but I'll talk about next year in another video. So I will just share what I created this year for Tag a Day November. So there, and I don't know if I have them in order. I try to keep them in order, and I'm not going to talk about them because I already talked about them. So I just am going to kind of run through and show them. It's just kind of amazing to me to see them all together and see how many I actually made, because I was kind of beating myself up for stopping early, but then I was like, I made a lot, so I'm not going to worry about it. I forgot to grab out a gift card, but this has a gift card holder for that one. And of course, you know, backs are all just cardstock with my stamp on it. She still makes me giggle. You are one cool chick. That's gold embossing, so pretty. There's the last one of that one. And a little shaker one. You are the zest. And I can't remember who said it, but one of the comments says that this would be nice for Valentine's Day. And I have to agree with that. And there's that one. That one. I really did make quite a few, didn't I? I forgot about the days that I made doubles or triples or all four. So I guess in reality, I probably did make a tag a day. Just didn't share the last few days. And that says Farm Fresh Eggs. I really should have used different paper, but I really liked that pink gingham. That cute kitty cat. A snuggly bear. Then those Sweet November gals. I still think this is one of my most favorite tags ever. I don't know if I'll be able to get rid of that one or not. Those little stars in there to shake. The little gamer girl. Another Sweet November gal. Rise and Grind. I think I really like this one too, just because it's so unique. Another Sweet November gal. I didn't get them all done, but I did quite a few of them. He's so cute, just adorable. Another Sweet November gal. This little guy with his little hot cocoa. Another Sweet November gal. Today will be awesome. My shopping girl. I want all the things. That's me all the time. And then my last one was that Ian from the Greening Farm. So there are all the tags that I made during the month of November 2023. Let me know in the comments below if you have a favorite. Like I said, I think this one is my absolute favorite, but I too like so many of them. Thanks again for everyone who watched my series. If you have not, the playlist is linked in the description box below, along with links to most of the tag dies that I used. And until my next video, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.